Good afternoon, YouTube. Wherever you are, hope you're having a great day. Today we're going to be reviewing M&M's chocolates. These are the ones specifically with the cookie inside. And I haven't had these before, but cookies and M&M's are a good combination, so if you want a little bit of mix of both chocolate and cookie, these would be perfect. Now usually, sometimes you get a cookie with M&M's in it, but here you get a cookie inside M&M's. Genius. Here's a better look at the package. So, as I'm eating these, I describe the taste as the taste you've come to expect from M&M's. Yeah, the crunch is very good. It is a cookie. It is a chocolate because it's a miniature chocolate covered cookie. I would say the crunch makes them that much better. Yeah, it's 130 calories a serving. Serving size is an ounce. So yeah, M&M's are definitely, these M&M's are addicting for sure. Yeah, I would say very good treat. And this one's actually a resealable bag too, so you can easily take this on the go. Well, yeah, pick yourself up a bag of these. They're definitely worth it.